Rami here. A journey into the unknown was going to be written, but it wasn't guaranteed that it would be lived. Since it was to be a living work, a living testament of Christ, it needed to be seen by an audience that had gathered to experience it. The gatherer of souls, Christina, and her team enabled this to happen. There was blind faith because no one knew exactly what it was, who it was for, or what it would become. It was a strange and yet pleasantly surprising experience for the readers, thanks to Christina et al. In quote marks, word, and then in brackets, meaningful slang for truth spoken. The one known as Rick doesn't like to talk about himself, but he must write down what we provide. So he doesn't have much say in the matter, now does he? Let's just say that he's very much like an embedded journalist. His soul is on a mission to do this work. It's his life's mission that is only coming to fruition now. The one known as Rick is actually from the nether regions and is on our executive team. This is his most interesting assignment so far. Right, Rick? Nothing is as it seems, Christ offices. None of you are who you appear to be either. You are who you see in the mirror, and you are so much more. You are the face looking back and the mystery behind it. With love, Rami.